Welcome to Divya Ved Yog. I am Divya and today I am going to tell few asan which has to be done from supine position. Supine position is lying down on your back and doing asan from that position. So first asan which I am going to tell you today is Uttan Padasana, that is leg raising pose. This asan is very beneficial for the strengthening of core muscles, strengthening of thigh muscles, strengthening of lower back muscles, so reduces lower back pain, strengthening of pelvic muscles and perineal muscles. When we do this asan gives good massage into your internal or abdominal internal organs and improves the functions of your internal organs. So reduces the constipation and improves the digestion. Today I am going to tell this asan in two variations. First should be done from the single leg and second will be done from the both the legs. So first asan which we are going to do with the single leg is called Ek Pad Uttan Padasana, means one leg raised pose, and second asan which I am going to tell you is Dui Pad Uttan Padasana, is using both the legs together and doing this asan. This is a supine position. From here we are going to do Ek Pad Uttan Padasana. Pointing your toe away from you and with inhalation, inhale and slowly start raising your leg up to 90 degree and hold this leg in 90 degree. Use your abdomen muscles to raising your leg, and other leg will be placed firmly on the ground using your abdomen muscles. Upper body will be relaxed, shoulders will be relaxed, hands will be relaxed, and try to hold this position as much as it is possible for you, and inhale and slowly exhaling bring your legs down. The same we are going to do with the other leg also in Uttan Padasana. Now we are going to do Dui Pad Uttan Padasana. In this, lie down on the mat, toes pointing outside. With inhalation, while inhaling, start raising your leg up using your abdomen muscles and bring your legs in 90 degree. Hold here, hold your leg here, relax your upper body, relax your arms, relax your neck. Only use your abdomen muscles to hold your legs in 90 degree. Hold this position as much as comfortable to you, and you can hold till 5 minutes. Now for releasing, again inhale, and while exhaling slowly using your abdomen muscles, lower down your leg and bring them on your mat. Initially, in a starting, you can do this asan for 2 repetitions, and you can hold this asan from 5 seconds to 5 minutes. Initially you hold for 5 seconds and slowly you can increase the time of holding, and when you're comfortable you can increase the time as much as it is possible to you. You can do this asan after warm up asan, so you will be more comfortable in doing this asan and holding the position for a longer time.